Hi class, welcome to week one of Principles of Sport Coaching. I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial um, just so you guys can be able to navigate your way around the course and try to get you off to a good start here in week one. So I'm at the home page right now, so you'll be able to see the introduction here, intro to sport coaching, and then just a little introduction on myself. Um, you're going to want to pay careful attention to the syllabus. Refer to the syllabus often. The syllabus has, I'll scroll down here, it's got an outline of the 8 weeks and what we'll be doing, and it's got your assignments here to the right. And then you can scroll down and get a more in-depth look at what's going on during that week, assignments and discussions and that sort of thing. And then you can scroll down and see just the expectations, reading expectations, exams and quizzes, papers, when they're due, and then discussion posts. This is one that you're going to want to read over, just what we're looking for when it comes to the discussions. But I'll scroll back up here. So if you go to modules, you should be able to see here what we're doing week one. So you can click on news and announcements, and that'll give you your assignments. Learning outcomes, just what you're expected to hopefully learn during the week. Materials needed for success. In this area, I'll put my lectures as well as just different YouTube videos and different things that will help you in your discussion questions and assignments. You can click on the discussion. It'll take you to the discussion. I'll do that here. So here's your week one discussion question one, and you'll just hit reply and answer the question and make sure you refer to the syllabus on just kind of what we're looking for. Let me go back to the modules. For week one, you'll see the two discussions that are due. You're also going to do an introductory video, and then the assignment is a quiz. And for some reason, I couldn't get the quiz to be located under the assignment, but I'll show you how to access the quiz. You can go to assignments. So here you can see here's all the discussions, and you can click on any of the discussions and it'll take you right to it. If I scroll down here, you'll see the assignment. So I can click on the quiz here, week one quiz, and it'll take me right here, and you guys will start the quiz. 10 questions. You'll have 60 minutes to do the quiz, but it shouldn't take you that long. It should probably take you 10 to 20 minutes max. So yeah, wanted to show you guys that, but refer to your syllabus often. Here you can look at the discussions. Click on the discussion. The first discussion this week is due Wednesday, just before midnight, and discussion question 2 is due Friday, just before midnight. So yeah, make sure you guys are getting those done, and that'll be the same. For the whole 8 weeks there. Back to modules. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is trey.clarkson@arizonachristian.edu. But thanks excited to dive into this class with you guys, and let me know if you have any questions. But hopefully this will help you get off to a good start for week one.